Haga khat pratarik unai tung arja arpusau lightly ki trophy jong ka lempung ilekai football bala tip kum ka 133rd Indian Oil Duran Cup kila 1 poi ha Shillong bala Pyni Sarong yaki haga jia lang hau susu tham auditorium haga jia don lang menteri rang ba ka jalau konrad kesang ma baru menteri ketenat sports ba Shaklir Wajri Kadba kanong ba kanang penkrep ban Pdiang penlong ikani ka lempung ilekai football haka Sien ka Nyngkong menteri rang ba ul ai khublai ka Duran Cup organizing committee haka bawan ra eka ka khilman ka ban sa khana haka jala ka ban bu ya kanong ba Shillong haka map football jongari India Kini ki lightly ki trophy kinyat keleng kanong ba bat ki wei ki district dak bas dang nakatei ka jaka Hakani kasingi lai don lang daw Air Marshal SP Dharkar, Air Officer Commanding in Chief Eastern Air Command, Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik, General Officer Commanding 101 Area, Major General Rajesh A. Moghe, VSM Vice Chairman Duran Cup, Organizing Committee, nalor ki he sipai bat ki officer. Yakini ki lightly ki trophy la play pat ba da ka President kari India, hakash potare unai tung arja arpusau hadalhi hashwa ban let shaki wei pat ki jilla. Ka Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium kan Pdiang subhai ka jinga kun ka Group F bakan thop ya ka Shillong Lajong Football Club ka FC Goa Hyderabad FC bat Tribhuvan Army Football Club ka jinga le Nyngkong kan dei hapreng ka Shillong Lajong Persha ka Tribhuvan Army Football Club haka artre kun nailar arja arpusaw haka por saw buje no pai sngi
Today we had the unveiling of the trophies for the Duran Cup for this year, and as a state and as a state government we are extremely proud and extremely happy that the armed forces have selected Shillong also to be one of the venues, and we've been working very hard for this. The sports department has been working very hard, our honorable minister has been working very hard, and we're very happy that we are finally prepared and ready now to host this particular tournament here as one of the venues here in Shillong. As you know that the Duran Cup is the oldest tournament in Asia and the 5th oldest tournament in the entire world, and therefore it is very meaningful for us. It is also an opportunity here where we will see the armed forces and the government and the public, all of us coming together, showing our love for football, showing our love for sports, and also giving a very strong message of integration and love for the nation. And therefore this is a very, very important and a meaningful tournament. We are very happy that the unveiling of the trophies took place today. We'll be having a large number of matches out here. I urge the citizens of our state who are naturally football lovers that please come in large numbers to witness these tournaments, these matches, because there will be very, very experienced clubs from different parts of the country and different parts of the region, even international clubs and teams will be coming from different parts of Nepal and other parts of the world also to participate in this tournament out here in Shillong. So I urge our citizens also to come out in large numbers and support their favorite club. So I once again thank the armed forces and once again thank the sports department for having worked so hard to finally come to this point. As you all know, the first match will be on the 2nd of August, and that is the day when officially the tournament will be kicked off here in the state of Meghalaya in Shillong.
As you're all aware, you've seen a couple of movies now. The Duran Cup is not just a tournament, it's a legacy. And we have managed to rekindle the association of the Duran Cup with the President of India on the 10th of this month, where Honorable President accepted our offer of unveiling and flagging of the trophy to all over the country. So besides the objective of promoting sports, the armed forces, our long-term vision also includes improving civil-military relations, and Duran Cup is one of the finest examples where the Indian Army joins hands with the stakeholders, we are all here, in successfully conducting the tournament. The cup has evolved. I'm talking especially the past 5 years. It has evolved from a 12 to 16 teams and a single city event to now a 24 team, 4 state extravaganza. There are 24 teams participating, as you all know. The top of the line ISL teams, all 13 of them are participating. We have got a couple of teams from the I-League, that is the India League, that is the B string of our nation. We have the 3 services teams of India, Army, Navy and Air Force. We have 2 CAPF teams, the CISF and the BSF. And we have from the neighboring region, the Nepal Army team, which is the Kyrwoh Army, which shall be playing matches here, as well as the Bangladesh Armed Forces team, which is slotted in the pool, which is in Jamshedpur. So, besides these, we have also taken effort to give boost to local talent, and hence we have got 2 local teams from that is Downtown Heroes from Kashmir and Bodoland Football Club from Assam. So 24 teams have been divided into 6 pools. Each pool has got 4. There are 3 pools which are located in Calcutta. They will be playing their pool matches within Calcutta. And of course, 1 pool each is at Jamshedpur, Shillong and Koprajal. After the pool matches, which are 36 in number, thereafter we shall move on to the knockout stage, wherein there will be 4 quarterfinals between 8 teams. So from 6 pools, we'll take out 8 teams, the 6 winners and 2 best losers. Comprising of these 8, they will fight it out for the semi-finals, and thereafter would be 2 semi-finals and then the finals. The finals is scheduled on 31st of August in Kolkata.
You know, the stadium which has come up, you'll be proud to know, it's of international standards. And for you people, please go there after 3 hours of torrential rain and see even if there is 1 inch of water standing on the ground. That's the level of stadium which has been created at Shillong. As far as the completion is concerned, ma'am, for the football tournament, we are nearly through. Maybe another 3-4 days, I can give you a 100% status. That's why I say 20th or 22nd of July. The balance elements of the stadium, that is the running track and other things, may take some time, but we are not rushing on that. Our concern right now is to conduct the football matches. For that, the Football Federation is here today in the station. They would certify the ground and clear it by today evening. So we are ready in all respects to conduct the event. 4 teams, our own Shillong Lajong, Hyderabad Football Club, Goa Football Club, and the Tribhuvan Football Club, that's a Nepal Army team. So 4 teams are in the pool at Shillong.
Both from within the state and outside the state, we would also like to inform them that ticket sales have commenced today. In fact, there's a box office right outside the Sosotha Auditorium in which we are starting the sale of tickets today, both in the offline mode and the online mode. Moreover, there will be pop-up box offices coming in and around Shillong city in a lot of prominent locations such as Nehu in Police Bazaar and Don Bosco Square. And there will also be mobile vans which will move around different routes in Shillong city and the outskirts, so that football fans and football lovers all across the state will be able to get good access to tickets in time for the matches which they prefer to watch.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.